Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable or disable spatial audio for your earbuds EDIFIER X5 Pro. And to do this, we need to use developer option. So, if you have Apple device, you cannot enable or disable it because there is no developer options. And on your Android, if you don't know how to enable it, because I already have it enabled, you can check a video at this channel. We have it especially for your phone. Now, you need to open settings, and or you can find developer option manually by just scroll down, go to the system, and right here we have developer option, and then we need to find HD audio here. But also we can use a search, and we can just write HD audio, then search, and right here we have HD audio what located in the developer option, so you just click on it. And right here we have it. So to disable it, you need to tap one time at this slider if the slider have colorful background. To enable it, you need to also press one time at this line, but if the slider have empty background. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.